Mom, it's so nice to be here with you, bringing our best wishes for 2022 to the followers here of Organizing Options. Thank you so much for being here. I'd like to introduce my mom, one of the, I could say, the founder of Organizing Options, in as much as you were always very organized, very meticulous, and everything had its own home. You had a great routine when she worked full-time, took care of 2 children, and took care of a house, great baker, great cook, and you passed that all on to us. And now I work helping older people get organized in their homes. And
that's good to hear.
yeah, and so once again, happy New Year.
And the very same from me. Happy New Year to everyone.